Hi guys, here 40 minus 16 is 24 plus 40 divided by 8. Here 2 plus 3 in bracket whole square. Here this 24 plus 40 is 64 divided by 8 times 2 plus 3 in bracket whole square. Here this 64 divided by 8 is 8 times 2 plus 3 in bracket whole square. Here 8 times, here 2 plus 3 is 5 square. Here 8 times 5 square is 25. Here 8 times 25 is 200. This is a wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 200 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in the correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 40 minus 16 plus 40 divided by 8. Yeah, bracket here is 2 plus 3 is 5. This square. The next priority is the exponent here. We have 5 to the power of 2. We have to do this 5 to the power of 2 before any other operation. So 40 minus 16 plus 40 divided by 8 times 5 square is 25. Here the next priority multiplication and division. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 40 divided by 8. We have to do this 40 divided by 8 before any other operation. So 40 minus this 16 plus 40 divided by 8 is 5 times 25. Here we have subtraction, addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 40 minus 16 plus 5 times 25 is 125. Here we have subtraction and addition. Here both are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 40 minus 16. 40 minus 16 is 24 plus 125. Here 24 plus 125 is 149 is the right answer.